Good evening, and today we are here, Kiri Bhai, at this beautiful academy called Just Cricket, where I think they coach and train youngsters, budding cricketers.
Yeah, it's of international standard, beautifully maintained.
Very well maintained. You see the greenery around.
We are going to have the state level Ranji Trophy. Now, Vijay Hazare is going to take place on this beautiful arena.
Ji.
Marvelously maintained.
Oh, that tournament is going to happen here,
Yes,
right here?
It's going to take place.
Oh, okay.
Nice greenery, lovely trees around, and marvelous.
Yes.
Beautiful, look at that. Nice
Absolutely,
English setting
yeah.
this is.
लश ग्रीनरी। अच्छा, आज जो हम लोग यहाँ पर क्यों हैं? यहाँ पर जो बहुत ही हिंदुस्तान के मशहूर और मारूफ खिलाड़ी हैं जिनको लोग जंबो के नाम से जानते हैं, यानी अनिल कुंबले साहब, तो उनसे हमारी मुलाकात होने वाली है थोड़ी देर में। आई थिंक ही शुड बी अबाउट टू कम इन अ शॉर्ट वाइल, एंड आई बिलीव ही ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड हिज करियर समवेयर अलोंग under your tutelage at some point in the beginning?
Yes.
Anil?
Yes, I'm sure he will, when he comes around, he will be able to express it, where he started, how he started his cricket. Of course, I was his captain when he made his debut, he and Rahul Dravid. हमारी शुरुआत जो हुई थी स्टेट स्कूल से, मैसूर स्टेट स्कूल, वहाँ से साउथ जोन का सिलेक्शन हुआ, फिर वहाँ से इंडियन स्कूल्स का।
जी।
इंडियन स्कूल्स का द फर्स्ट एवर इंडियन स्कूल्स टीम टू टूर अब्रॉड, दैट वाज यूके। जी यूके में। तो वहाँ पे भी मेरा प्रदर्शन बहुत ही बेहतरीन रहा
माशाल्लाह।
सबसे पहला मैच हमारा टूर का, इंग्लैंड टूर का, हैम्पशायर स्कूल से जो खेले हम, तो वहाँ पे मैंने 104 नॉट आउट शतक लगाई वहाँ से, और मेरा सारा इंग्लिश टूर का, हमारी भारत की इंडियन स्कूल्स टीम कोई मैच नहीं हारी उस दौरे पर। इट्स अ रिकॉर्ड बाय इटसेल्फ। वापसी जब हुई मेरी, बेहतरीन एवरेज रहा मेरा उस 1967 का ये दौर था हमारा दौरा इंग्लैंड का। आए हम 68 में, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने मेरे को जॉब ऑफर किया।
ओके।
स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने, आई एम डूइंग माय 10th स्टैंडर्ड माइंड यू, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया बेंगलोर, स्पोर्ट्स सेक्रेटरी ने आके मेरे को बोला कि यार कैन यू जॉइन स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया।
आप 10th स्टैंडर्ड में थे और आपको जॉब ऑफर आ गया।
क्या बात,
माशाल्लाह। कितने लोग होंगे जिनको ऐसा ऑफर आता होगा?
आई हैव माय ओन डाउट्स कि कोई 10th स्टैंडर्ड पढ़ता हुआ उसको गवर्नमेंट की नौकरी मिली है क्या? कोई है तो मेरे को बताओ।
सर, उस स्टेज में तो सिर्फ छोकरी मिलती है, नौकरी नहीं मिलती।
बस हमारे ज़माने में हमारे माता पिता ने सिर्फ पढ़ो और गवर्नमेंट की नौकरी लो। अब यहाँ पे मेरे घर पे दरवाजे पे नौकरी आई, और वालिद साहब ने, माय फादर, he said, बेटे तुम अभी नौकरी के काबिल नहीं हो, 10th स्टैंडर्ड पास नहीं कर रहे हो, SSLC में हो, तुम्हारे को जॉब मिल रहा है, ले लो, आपको इवनिंग क्लासेस करने का मौका है, इवनिंग क्लासेस करो अगर पढ़ना चाह रहे हैं तो, ये ऊपर वाले की देन है तुम्हारे लिए, ले लो नौकरी। I joined the bank,
माशाल्लाह।
1968, immediately in a week's time. Everybody was very surprised कि भाई यार he is doing his 10th standard and इसको नौकरी भी मिल गई। It was all on ad hoc basis, you know, that I got this job.
तो क्या किया आपने वहाँ पर, जो जैसे आप?
I was appointed as a clerk.
अपॉइंटमेंट हुआ आपका?
Clerk.
जी।
And I was attached to dispatch department.
Okay.
Where they dispatch all the letters.
Okay.
Envelopes which go on to the mail to different branches. Franking machine was there. डाल के it used to be dispatched. So that was my first department. From there on, the same year, by the way, I got selected to make my debut for the Ranji Trophy team.
Oh.
I was taken in as a batsman there because I was a stroke player, and in the Indian schools team also, there were 4 wicket keepers, including me. They were better wicket keepers than me, and I was taken on sheer batting prowess.
तो बेटर वालों को क्या पता अभी बेस्ट आने वाला है उनके बीच. बेस्ट आ चुका है उनके बीच.
So, however, this is how I was included into the Ranji Trophy team as a batsman.
जी.
But I carried my gloves all along, and Budhi Kundran, the Indian wicket keeper, he was keeping for Karnataka, and I was his deputy, kind of a thing like. So this is where my Ranji Trophy season started in 1968 onwards.
जी जी माशाल्लाह.
जी हाँ.
Very
So
good.
that's it, and वहाँ से the next you will hear in my next episode for sure.
So I'm now joined by Mr. Vijay and Mr. Nasiruddin, the two head coaches of this beautiful academy who have been instrumental in the careers and the shaping and molding of so many youngsters who we just saw a short while ago. And incidentally, they have also, I just learned from them, been the coaches of Sadiq Kirmani. Am I right?
Yeah, very true.
So, hi Vijay, nice to meet you. And Nasiruddin Saab.
Hello sir,
Pleasure
nice
to meet
meeting you.
Oh, Sadiq is here. Sadiq. I think who better
Hi,
than you to tell, I think if you can interact with each other and tell us more about how you came in here and how did you interact with them? How was those early years where you were ready to be molded and shaped into a fine cricketer that you are today?
Yes,
you know, as a batsman and a wicket keeper, just like Dad.
Yes, so firstly, this is Nasir Bhai and this is Vijay Bhai. My coaches, been my coaches as well. Vijay Bhai with the KPL Mysore Warriors and Karnataka A and Nasir Bhai.
Okay.
One thing about both of them is very friendly. You can go up to them for anything. You know, they are coaches as well, but they are very friendly. You can go up to them and any doubt in cricket or otherwise as well, easy, very easy. And that for a cricketer, for me or for anybody, is very important. You know, the coach should be approachable. The coaches should be approachable. You know, they have chai with us, they have dinner with us, they cake cuttings in the team meetings and all of that. It's awesome. It's awesome. And we've had lovely memories with Karnataka A, with Mysore Warriors. We won, being Vijay Bhai being the coach as well. Yes. Mysore Warriors won the KPL, and Vijay Bhai was the coach as well with RX Bhai. So, and Karnataka A as well. Nasir Bhai was there as the head coach as well.
So Vijay Bhai, I'd like to know from you, what were your first thoughts when you met Sadiq?
First time when I saw him in the Timapaya Trophy, you know, he's playing for Karnataka. So it's basically a selection match for under 25 and state team. There he hammered 100 of very quick 100. During that time, I was appointed as a coach for Mysore Warriors team, which plays in the Karnataka Premier League. So
he has a very aggressive style, you know. I always say when I look at the likes of Virendra Sehwag and now when I see Virat Kohli, and I don't know, I see him very aggressive.
He is aggressive and very stylish.
Very
stylish cricketer, like his father.
Not even close, according to me.
So the way he batted, I think when we went to our franchise, we discussed about him. No matter what, we need to take him into the team at any cost.
Wonderful.
So that was the feeling when I saw his batting, and we got that. And literally that year we won the tournament when he was
he was man of the series.
Man of the series.
That was the next year.
Next year.
That was the following year.
That was the following year. He played for Shimoga and he scored almost all the games. He scored around 90, 80. And he's a fantastic cricketer. I mean, you see his batting, his keeping, never was a questionable. Okay. So, but KPL is a different ball game, and again the state team, when you play for a state, it's a different ball game. So my memory with Sadiq is, really is you can say is a fantastic, very jewel personality. He's a team man, you can say. Everybody
He's a
team player and team man is bringing everybody together.
Very
with his
jovial,
brilliant, very jovial, very lively character. So we want such players to be the part of the team.
Absolutely.
So it helps us to get going in the team when we are in a competition.
Thank you.
So lovely to see him here in Just Cricket after a long time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for that
really
perspective. Yes.
Lovely, kind words, Vijay Bhai.
Yeah,
Thank you
nice
very
words.
much. Appreciate
Nasir
that.
Bhai, Vijay spoke a lot about his batting potential, his abilities as a batsman. I would also like to know how effective he was as a wicket keeper, keeping the wicket. Because he's essentially a wicket-keeper batsman.
Yeah.
And anything else that you would like to also add?
No, sir, I've been knowing Sari for more than 10 years, but we had a very close interaction when he played for, when I was managing the Karnataka A team. So we got to play and got to know each other a lot. So he's basically, off the game I need to say he's very grounded, very humble, very friendly, and a go-to man, very helping man. Very helping nature. You need, as I rightly second with Vijay, that you need such a guy, such a character in a team.
Yes.
And his flamboyance of dad, a bit of flamboyance of his dad is there, and so extremely did a great job during his tenure in the state team. I think we should share that Delhi game where you had a fantastic run. So I think he got 5 victims. We got the Delhi team all out by the lunch. 1 hour after
At
lunch.
Kotla.
That helped us beat them outright.
Oh,
So that was fantastic. I can see from couple of breathtaking catches. Going down the first leap, good player, good potential, and had been very helpful for the team during that period. And whatever cricket he has played has been very sincere to the game. That's very much important. And he's into new things now. I wish him all the very best. There's still cricket left. I wish him all the best to.
Thank you.
He's
so
only
much.
starting. He's only
Thank you so
starting.
much.
So
Yeah.
I'm sure there's a lot of cricket left in him. I'm still there with him.
Thank you so much, Nasir. Lovely words.
The Anil Kumble the bowler, Sadiq Kirmani on strike, Said Kirmani keeping.
बहुत ही आगे बॉल और ये खतरनाक शॉट
Sadiq Kirmani drives and sent through the covers like a tracer bullet.
And man, that's a magnificent shot by Sadiq Kirmani. Run away to the boundary like a tracer bullet.
And there he goes again. Sadiq Kirmani to Kumble flipper, another inside edge.
मजा आ गया